What if you could be in two places at once, not just sending an email, but an AI version of you that talks like you, thinks like you, and even remembers your past? This isn't a far-off science fiction concept anymore. This technology is real, and it's called a digital doppelganger. A digital doppelganger is an AI-powered virtual representation of a specific person, designed to mimic their personality, knowledge, and even their voice and appearance. It's crucial to understand what this is, because it's about to fundamentally change everything from our jobs to our personal relationships. But to really get it, we need to separate it from a similar term you might have heard: the digital twin. So what's the difference? The original digital twin comes from engineering. Imagine a company building a jet engine. They also build a perfect virtual model of it. This digital twin gets real-time data from the physical engine: temperature, pressure, speed. This lets them test it, predict when it will fail, and optimize it safely. It models what an object does. A digital doppelganger is completely different. It models who a person is. It's not about your heart rate, it's about your heart. It's built from your personal data, your emails, your text messages, your social media posts, your voice recordings, to replicate your personality, your humor, your style, and your memories. The danger is, an inaccurate jet engine model has financial consequences. An inaccurate or malicious model of you can destroy reputations and cause psychological harm. Digital doppelgangers aren't just one thing, they exist on a spectrum. First, you have pre-mortem clones. These are AI replicas of living people. Imagine an AI version of a CEO that can answer employee questions 24/7, or a version of you that can handle your routine emails in your exact style. It's a productivity booster, but it raises weird questions about who is actually in control. Second, there are post-mortem generative ghosts. These are AIs built to simulate someone who has passed away. Often called griefbots, they are created to preserve a person's legacy, allowing loved ones to interact with their memory. This is the first step towards a kind of digital immortality, but the psychological impact on those grieving is a massive, unanswered question. Finally, there are AI companions, like the well-known service Replika. These aren't clones of a specific real person. Instead, they are designed to develop a unique personality by talking to you. They learn to be your friend, mentor, or even romantic partner. While not true doppelgangers, they operate in the same space, creating deep emotional bonds and blurring the lines between human and machine. So what makes a doppelganger convincing? It comes down to 4 core attributes. Behavioral mimicry. It has to nail your unique communication style, your vocabulary, your humor, your sentence structure, and the specific rhythm and pitch of your voice. Cognitive and ethical simulation. It tries to model your internal world, how you make decisions and your moral judgments based on your past actions. Memory and recall. It can access a mind file of your data, allowing it to talk about past events as if it lived them. Multimodal presence. This is the final immersive layer. It's not just text. It's the combination of the language model, a cloned voice, and a realistic animated avatar. It's the full package, text plus voice plus visual. All right, let's pull all that together. We've seen that a digital doppelganger is a hyper-personal AI replica that moves beyond the industrial digital twin to capture who we are. We've explored the different kinds, from living pre-mortem clones that boost our productivity, to post-mortem ghosts that preserve our legacy, and AI companions that learn from us. And we know they work by mimicking our behavior, simulating our thoughts, recalling our memories, and combining text, voice, and a visual avatar into one seamless package. So here's a question for you. If you could create a digital doppelganger of yourself today, would you? And what would you have it do? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you learned something new today, give this a like. It really helps. And make sure you subscribe to Retoured so you don't miss our next part, where we break down exactly how these digital selves are built.